Hello everyone, I'm Kanika and welcome to my channel Value Investing with Kanika. Today I'm going to do the stock analysis of GICRE, which is General Insurance Corporation of India. I'll discuss the company's business, its fundamentals and the technical analysis. But before starting with the analysis, let's first understand what is reinsurance. So, reinsurance is basically an insurance purchased by an insurance company to transfer some of their risk to another company. In short, it's an insurance for the insurance companies. So, in this way, the insurance companies are able to minimize their risk during a catastrophe event, thus preventing them from insolvency. So, in this scenario, the insurance company is known as the ceding company, and the company from which it purchases the insurance is the reinsurer. So, let's understand the company's business and the potential growth. So, as you can see here, the global reinsurance market is expected to grow from $614 billion in 2024 to $1,415 billion by 2032. This is expected to be driven by various factors like increased awareness of insurance products, the growing property catastrophe protection market, technological advancements. Talking about the Indian industry, so India's reinsurance market is expected to grow at the CAGR of 7.3%, reaching $9.7 billion by 2029. And this, along with the growth in economy, will definitely make India one of the most attractive destinations for reinsurers. So you can see here foreign reinsurance market share in India to cross 50% in 2025. Let's see it in the news section. The reinsurance pie in India will increase by Azim Kanjiani, Prudent Insurance Brokers, India. 13% growth expected in general insurance industry in FY 2026 by Asia Insurance Review. IRDAI, which is the regulatory authority for insurance industry in India, grants approval for ValueAtix, India's first exclusive reinsurer. Reinsurance market slated for 6.5 annual growth until 2032 by Insurance Asia. Insurance Deco enters India's reinsurance broking sector with composite license. So we can see that multiple companies are entering this industry. So let's look at the fundamentals on screener.com. General Insurance Corporation of India is engaged in the business of reinsurance, and it's the largest Indian reinsurance company. And it has a 67% share in the Indian reinsurance market in FY 2023 with a diversified portfolio, and the key segments include property, agriculture, liability, motor and health. It receives a statutory cession of 5% on each and every policy, subjected to certain limits. Now, this statutory cession basically means a portion of the insurance business is subjected to be transferred to the reinsurer defined by the Indian regulatory authority. So it has international presence in around 140 countries, and it derives almost 31% of its gross premium from the foreign subsidiaries. Let's see the fundamental ratios. GICRE has a market cap of more than 70,000 crores, and it's a zero debt company. That's the best part. No borrowings, with a dividend yield of 2.5%. If we see the revenue, the company has consistently posted increasing revenue, and in March 2025, the revenue is more than 49,000 crores, which is almost 27 times in the last 12 years. With the highest ever net profit of around 7,400 crores. In March 2025 quarterly results, the company posted revenue of 13,209 crores in comparison to 10,254 crores in March 2024, with a profit before tax of 3,100 crores. If you see the balance sheet, the equity capital is 877 crores and more than 60,000 reserves they have. Now, in shareholding pattern, 82.4% is being held by the promoters. And who are promoters here? It's the government of India. And if you observe the FIIs and DIIs holding, they have continuously increasing their stake. So let's have a look at the technical chart pattern. So this is the chart pattern of GICRE. So the stock made a lifetime high on 20th of December 2024, and the price is, this is around 525. And there is a strong resistance here. I'll just mark it. So the resistance is around 452 level, and this is a pattern. Let me just draw the pattern. So this is the shoulder, head, shoulder, and there is another shoulder which is in making. So this is a complex reverse head and shoulder pattern. To calculate the target, we need to find the depth of this shoulder head. So the target comes out to be around 555. So from the current price, this is almost 35% gain. As I have discussed GICRE growth potential with all the facts and figures, now you have to make an effort, study hard, do your research, and then take a buy-sell decision based on your conviction. That's all for today. See you in the next video. If you like this video and want more such investing videos, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.